Welcome fans to another unboxing and review on Monster Truck Classics, and we are going to be unboxing this 2-pack from 2025 celebrating 50 years of Bigfoot. Now on the left hand side is this 2-pack. What it's all about is getting the 50th anniversary edition looking Bigfoot, and then on the other side is just a regular version of Bigfoot that we have already gotten in the past. So let's go ahead and take a look on the back of the packaging. On the left hand side we have the newer truck, and it has Bob Chandler, Bigfoot, and then on this side just has Bigfoot 4x4 with that vehicle of Bigfoot the truck. And then here are the other doubles in this pack. This one was interesting to see in the store. And then here is another 2-pack. And then there is the other third pack in this 2-pack series. So let's go ahead and unbox this 2-pack of Bigfoot. Instead of just ripping the package apart and stuff, I thought maybe I should just save the card backing, so I cut it up. We're gonna start off now with the truck. On the right hand side comes with the white wheels, and then the black tires, and then the white roll cage, and then the silver base of for the truck. And then onto the body we can see what looks like. And since it's already been out, it still has the old Hot Wheels Monster Truck logo on the die-cast body. Back there has Bigfoot on the tailgate. We get the lights, the back lights on it. And here's the other side. The front has some shine to it, as you can see. So there is that one. So let's bring in the one that I wanted, the main reason why you buy the double pack, to get the exclusive, so to call it. And here it is with the gold wheels, black tires, black roll cage, black base, and we get a gold and black look to this one. I didn't know if I really liked this one version when it came out and everything, but it's pretty cool looking. The name of the truck, and then it's hard to see, but it does have the Hot Wheels Monster Truck logo right there with the 50th 50 on the bottom. We get like a flash right here, and it is also outlined in blue line. And we get the little Bigfoot up here, up above, instead of on back here. And Summit on the side. And then we go into the front now. It has a plastic front grille. And also the motor that is popping out is plastic. Onto the hood of the truck now. We get the 2 flashes on the hood right there. Has Bigfoot, Summit, and I'm not sure if it has Summit Racing. Maybe Racing is underneath it. It's just so hard to make out. And same thing on the other side too. Right there it just says Summit, it looks like. And yeah, it's a little bit hard to make out if it has Summit Racing, if that's what it says. But anyways, and then the Hot Wheels Monster Truck logo, and then Bigfoot right there. And then coming to the opposite side. Now, on the driver's side, we have, it says Bob Chandler, which is really cool. The creator of Bigfoot, and I would say monster trucks. So there we have Bigfoot. So the lettering is in black. And then on the back, we have another flash going on with a blue outline. Hot Wheels Monster Trucks logo, Summit Racing. Maybe it just says Summit again. It's hard to make out exactly, but then the name of the truck on the bumper there on the back, and the 50, the 50 on the back. And then up top, we get the 50th Bigfoot logo up top there, and just some kind of sun rays, it almost looks like to me, flaring out around the logo for the 50th Bigfoot. So there we have it. So that is the unboxing here of the two trucks of the double pack here in 2025, celebrating 50 years of Bigfoot. Thank you for tuning in.